This back to the studio, and people ask about that brutal shoulder if you're athlete. Like I said, if you are not young dude, strong one, don't do this exercise. If you do this on your risk. But what you're going to do, you're going to find that band. This is pretty good one. This is 50 pounds. I go as far as possible, yeah. So above my head, the band have to be above my head. Get this inside, attach it, check it, pull, see if any tear. No, this band is really good. The kettlebell, depends on you, how big you are. From 16 pounds all the way to, I don't know, what's the biggest one? 62 kilos, so it's 120 kilo. Just be smart about it. So get this kettlebell in one hand. What you're doing here, you go around that shoulder and go forward. So this is kind of pulling you up and back. So all you do is stay here, try to get that balance, and all you do, just try to move that kettlebell. You see my thumb is pointing this direction. It's not rotated. A lot of people doing this. This is wrong. You put too much pressure. So this one is calibrated. You can open up the palm, yeah, and doing this way too. So what's this band do? Just try to distract and pull that shoulder back. And you just walk. You can stay. Breathe. You can rotate a little bit. Why not? This is, like I said, for those athletes. Big dudes who still like under 30, feel great, no pain, no trauma, no injury. This is how you release your shoulder if you feel the tension. So try to do this. Wow, look at that. And it's clicking, go away. I have a click, it's go away. Use that technique. Like I said, if you young, strong, do some sports, fast way. For older people, do the light one. Watch our channel.